So I love Speedster, like they can do any sit they want, like almost stop time, reverse time, do P in a second and some freaky stuff like. But bro, we all can agree that they are too overpowered. And I know you guys must be seeing that those edits of Wily West nowadays a lot, like he gonna solo your favorite verse like. Oh, but for real, Wily West is not as strong as people think he is. Like there are two other people who can actually beat the shit out of him, Wily West, like without any effort, bro. And one of them can actually solo your favorite verse, not like this fraud, bro. But before I tell you about those two guys, let's see Wily West feats. Like in the one time in the comics, Wally outrun Blackfest, like the literal death itself. But my guy, I tell you this, that these two can actually easily do this. They are too strong for this. They can easily do this shit. Like if you remember that episode of Teen Titans Go when Robin and Kid Flash actually had a race and Robin did actually outrun him so easily with his great power, great response, his great power, while Kid Flash was just moaning on the ground. Bro, wake up, bro, be a man, bro. Like Robin is true nightmare for Wily West. And this version of Robin was not even adult version of Robin. Like if it was Nightmare hitting Kid Flash, his leg would be gone, bro. Literal. I told you, Wily is too weak. But there's a person who's actually stronger than Robin, and it actually is Quickster. You guys know about it. You guys have seen him in your childhood. That he's too fast. Even Cameraman can catch him. And we all know about Cameraman. Cameraman never dies. Cameraman is too strong that he can actually record Wily West in his camera. Like he's too strong, bro. But still, Cameraman can record the Quickster moving. Like he's so fast. Like Quickster freeze are too terrifying. Like in the episode when Quickster was running, he ran so fast that he burned his own body down into ashes. He ran so fast. Like just think about a race between Quickster and Wily West. Like Quickster will bully Wily West. Like Quickster will say,
"Wanna see me do it again?"
You know, you are cooked when he say that, bro. It's terrifying. And I am an honorable man-son of me. Like I talk really fast that I can actually outrun Wily West. Yeah, I stutter sometimes, but you can fix it by subscribing me, and I will meet you in the next video.